For home renovations, hiring the right contractor is the first crucial decision you'll make. Yet, in a rush to get the work done, most homeowners rarely interview more than 2 candidates, and some neglect to ask the right questions. First, don't choose a contractor out of the yellow pages. Take the time to develop a short list of referrals. Talk to friends or neighbors who have had work done on their homes recently. If someone's had a renovation similar to yours, ask to see the quality of work firsthand. Before you call referrals, research what needs to be done to your home. When you educate yourself, you're more able to ask pointed questions when interviewing contractors. And remember, all contractors are not equally skilled. Some have excellent experience upgrading kitchens. Others have more experience with top-to-bottom renovations. Focus on asking questions which can help you determine their specific strengths and specialties, and don't be shy about contacting the references they provide. After you select a contractor, negotiate a payment schedule. True professionals won't have a problem with it. Your deposit shouldn't be more than 10% of the estimate. If the contractor can't start for several weeks, your deposit shouldn't be more than $1,000. Once work begins, make incremental payments of 10% as pre-agreed goals are completed, and schedule the final payment for 30 days after the job is completed. You'll be living with your renovation a very long time. It pays to take the time to ensure it's done right.